Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I've just put some black paint on, and I'm going to do a centre swipe with just some colours that I've got left over from previous pours. So I've got red, which I shall endeavour. The colours and the pouring medium, the recipes you will find below show more underneath this video. Pretty red, nice and bright. Right, I have a smidgen of blue, and I do mean a smidgen, but may as well use enough. And I will scratch what's left out if I use this. Okay, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of nice blue and gold. And as I said, I might just, does it want to move? No, it's happy. So we'll soon see what this does. Oh, just to dampen that, I suppose. I wiped my hands on this cloth just before, so, but it's dried. Well, it's damp now because I just damped it. Oops, missed a smidgen, and I will just turn that over and use the other side. Last, missed those two. Alright, let's see what we can do. Okay, so that's looking quite pretty. I'll just take it down a little bit that way and then bring it back. Some nice little dribbly looking pieces. Okay, oh, that's pretty. Yes, very pretty indeed. So that's the way it wants to go by the look of it. I'm all for it. So I think it's lovely. Okay, oops. I'll just wipe off my hands and then we might torch it, eh? Get rid of some air bubbles. might just, where's that piece of plastic? There it is. And run up the centrepiece here a bit, because I know there's colours under there. Just dabbing with an ordinary piece of plastic. In fact, it's come off the, it's the covering from the canvases. Doesn't hurt to utilise things. Yes, I like that very much. Alright, I'll stop it at that. If you go too far with them, you kill them. And I'll just give that another little up the centre with the torch. That is really, really pretty. So I'm going to bring it down to have a look. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put videos up. It's very pretty. Come across and join us at Australia Art Dreaming, you're more than welcome. There's a link down below. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. Leave any comments you might like to, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.